Hello friends, Drew here in beautiful West Grove, Pennsylvania. Yesterday we were showing you this piece of trim board that we were replacing and the damaged beam that we found behind that. I want to show you some of the last details and how we fixed this, putting this together. So we think a big part of the problem here was this piece of J-channel coming down the roof, which great, it's out in front of the siding, but before it was allowed to come down right between the gutter here and the siding, and was coming down. We got the J-channel here, was hitting this board, was getting behind this board, and then rotted out. Water damaged both the face of this and the piece that was behind it. So I'll climb down and give you the wide shot here in a second, but I just wanted to show you the detail while we're up here. So one of the things that we've done here is then added this piece of metal that's going to take any water that comes down the J-channel. It's going to hit this, it's going to direct it into the gutter, keep it from getting down. And of course, we did use 𝗷𝘂𝘀𝘁 PVC material, or 𝗗𝘁''𝘀 down here. So that's going to be impervious to the water, so that's not a problem. And you'll see the bottom edge of this piece of drip cap. That's a Z-shaped piece of metal that goes up, over, and up the wall. And then we've got ice and water shield that comes down that behind the siding. So any water that we get behind here would hit the ice and water shield, would come out on top of the drip cap, would come out on top of the board. And so that solves this problem. And then you add that as belt and suspenders, and it's not done. It's coat built. Let me climb on down the ladder here, and I will give you the wide shot perspective of what's going on. There we go. So we had challenges with, again, coming down that J-channel, down that roof line, and when it just got to where the gutter was, it was able to get between the gutter and the house, and was able to damage out this piece of trim board that was wood before. Now it's plastic 𝗷𝘂𝘀𝘀, and with that extra piece of metal that we put up on top there, that's going to basically kick anything out of that J-channel down into the gutter. So we know that's taken care of. We replaced it with plastic PVC 𝗷𝘂𝘀𝘀 𝗗𝘁''𝑀 trim board, so that can't get damaged anymore. And with the Z-cap flashing and with the ice and water shield, all the layers are correct. It's going to push the water to the outside, and it's going to prevent the water damage from occurring again in the future. So that's the end of this. If you missed the first half of this video, go back to yesterday and you can check out the water damage on the beam and what we found there with the wood just getting eaten away, basically, and how we fixed that. And then this, of course, is the after picture. So if you've got water damage at your house, take a photo. Click on that Message Us button in the top of our Facebook page. Send it to our team. We're available weekdays, 9:30 in the morning until 2 in the afternoon at 484-748-0008. Choose option 2 for Cope Construction and Renovation, extension 2 for new projects. You can email us at office@copebuilt.com. Or like I said, the fastest way to reach our team really is to message us here right through our Facebook page. We are your Pennsylvania home improvement contractor, number 88078. When we're finished with it, you're going to be proud to say it's not just done, it's Cope Built. We will catch you guys in another video. Bye for now.